So here's that PlayStation 2 controller with the funky analog stick. And I thought I'd just take this apart on camera. Just to give you an idea, I already loosened some of the screws. So a few of them are sitting right there. But you could see there's actually, when I was unscrewing this, there's like residue on the screwdriver, which kind of gives you an idea of how filthy this thing is. So let's keep going. And I've loosened the other screws, so hopefully they just kind of fall out, or they have so much residue that they're stuck on there, which wouldn't be good. Okay. Oh man, look at these screws. There's all this junk on it. Anyway, let's keep going. Hey. Oh, let's just pull this apart. Oh, that just came right off. It's funny, the screws won't come out. I guess the residue has glued them in. Who knows? Yeah. Hey, this looks different than this one. So I have the other one over here, and my ginger ale. Yeah, look at this sucker. And look at this, there's this white plastic thing there. That's nice, got a little extra whatever going on there. Ooh. This thing's not coming out. Wonder why. It's probably because there's a screw right there. I should probably take that off. Oh, that's on the... Okay. Move this over. And, come on now. It's definitely loose. There we go. Whoa. So the button's still nicely in place there. The thing I really want to know about... Oh, hello. The left nub fell off. I guess let's just... Let me just put this back on. Well, that was a really easy fix. I thought there'd be a lot more to it than that. But, this looks almost exactly the same as this other one over here, except this white plastic piece also held the force feedback motors in place. And these motors are just kind of dangling there. Yeah, let's find that plastic white piece I was looking for. Is it under here? Oh, hello. I see. Okay, well, that was exciting, I think. Next I should try opening that sucker over there and getting this disk drive out. Anyway.